We are back with the same Rolleiflex 3.5 shutter, and we will be cleaning it fully today. First, remove the cocking ring by unhooking the spring from the post on the bulb lever. The spring will remain with the ring. Next, remove the cocking ring gear, exposing the main spring underneath. Observe the spring, and note where the arms are positioned in relation to the drive cam for reassembly. Disconnect and remove the main spring. Keep a finger on the spring as you disconnect it so it doesn't jump. Turn the main drive cam to the position shown and then lift it out of the shutter housing. Next, we will be removing the speeds escapement. Remove the 2 screws and gently lift it out of the housing. Make sure you are organizing your screws and taking lots of pictures to aid in reassembly. Find the outer release lever that protrudes out of the shutter housing. This connects to the shutter button and actuates the shutter after charging. Lift the outer release lever out. The spring remains with the part. Remove the sync bridge shoulder screw and remove the inner release lever spring. Keep the screw and the spring together. Remove the other screw and lift off the sync bridge. Lift off contact lever. This connects to the flash electrical contact. Remove M closing lever. Spring remains on the lever. Disconnect and remove the sync drive spring. Lift out the sync drive sector. Or pop it out. Disconnect and remove the latch spring. Remove the screw and lift off the arresting plate. Remove lens flange screws. Hold the MXV selector ring aside as you lift off the lens flange. Remove the blade ring detent spring. Lift out the sync delay escapement star wheel for cleaning. In the next video, we will be cleaning each part and all the shutter blades, so stay tuned for that.